Next, find the product of 6 and the difference between 324 tenths and 5587 thousandths. Round off your answer to one decimal place. Firstly, find the difference between 324 tenths and 5587 thousandths. Now tenths, THS means divide, always remember, and only tenths means multiply. So here we have to divide. So what will be the division? I have taught in my earlier videos also for fractions. When the 0 is to be removed, take point on the left side. You can check the earlier video of mine on this. Now this subtraction is done this way, 32.400. Why 00? Because there are 3 zeros in the other number, 3 digits in the other number after points, minus 5.587. 10 minus 7 3, then 0 gone 9, it becomes 9 minus 8 1, then again 4 gone, it becomes 8, 18, 8 minus 5 sorry, it then 13, 13 minus 5 8, then 2 gone 1 remains, 11 minus 5 6, then 3 gone 2 remains, 26. So answer is 26.813. We are required to find out the multiplication of this number difference and 6. So multiply this 26.813 multiplied by 6. So it becomes 6 3 the 18, 1 6 1 the 6 plus 1 7, 8 6 the 48, 4 6 6 the 36 plus 4 40, 6 2 the 12 plus 4 16, 160.878. But we are again asked to the nearest one decimal place. One decimal place means after point only one number. Now this number should be 8 or 9. Now if the other number, second number, is less than 5, then this number remains 8 only. If this number is greater than 5, then this number changes one more. It becomes 9. So answer is 160.9.